So I found the Glow Recipe dupe. So here is all the products I have. So I had already purchased a while ago this one, the Watermelon Glow. This is like supposed to be for your pores, to tighten your pores. I mean, I used this much. I didn't really see a difference, but then again, I didn't really pay attention to see if it did anything to my pores. My pores aren't like super huge, but you know, they're there. And then I also have this one. I've had this for a while. I do like this one. It adds like a little shine to my makeup, and since I do have dry skin, it adds more hydration to my skin. So I usually use this only when I do my makeup. I also got these two for a birthday gift, and I did have the moisturizer a long time ago, the Glow Recipe moisturizer, the one that's in the pink bottle as well, but I used that one up quick and I didn't repurchase because I didn't really feel like it hydrated my skin too much. Maybe because it's like a gel moisturizer, so I feel like that's probably why it didn't work for my skin. Maybe it works better for oily skin, but it didn't work for mine. So excited to find these because I saw somebody show them on TikTok as like a dupe, and that they were glass bottles and the scent was watermelon. I really do like the scent, even though I know fragrance isn't good for your skin, but I do like how the Glow Recipe formula smells, at least like the watermelon line. And then I found this one, and then I also found this one. I haven't used them yet, even though I did take them off of the package. I just had to take them out of the package because I had them for like a week already and I haven't tried them yet because I wanted to make this video to see my first impression. I did smell them, so I was comparing both of these to see what the difference was in the smell, and it did take me a while to like finally realize what I was smelling that was different. So let me smell it again so I could describe it again. So what I got from it is that this does smell like watermelon still, but then when I smell this one smells way more powerful like watermelon than this one does. But this one smells like watermelon mixed with like skincare in a way, or I guess you can say like other chemicals. But this one does smell like watermelon way stronger than, yeah, way stronger than the one from the Dollar Tree. So I want to try them on to see like if I do feel like a difference like on my skin. So I'm gonna try one on one side, one on this side, and then one on this side, and see what the difference is that I feel in my skin. So this one is a glow up toner, that's what it says, and then it has watermelon extract and hyaluronic acid. So let's try it. So I usually just use put it on my hand. The smell on this one, it's not like lingering on my skin. It's like I can't even smell it anymore. So let me use this hand for this one. I love how it smells. It smells so good. My skin looks, I feel like this side looks a little bit more glowy, but I don't know, maybe a little bit more hydrated. So now I'm gonna try this glow up serum, or actually I'm gonna try the glow up. Oh, this one's a night. So this one's supposed to be a night moisturizer, it says. And it has watermelon extract and niacinamide. So I don't have a moisturizer, but I'm still gonna put it on to see how it feels on my skin. So I'll just use a different moisturizer for this side. Here, see, I haven't poked, oh shoot. Okay, well, I haven't poked at it or nothing. That's what I was trying to show. But the consistency is a lot like, smell. The consistency is a lot like the moisturizer. So for this side, I'm gonna use this one right here is also like, it's also a gel moisturizer, so it has like the same consistency. So I'm gonna go ahead and use it on this side. Glow Up Serum, and then I do have the Glow Recipe one. So this one of the ingredients is niacinamide, and then this one also has niacinamide. Definitely, I'm pretty sure it's a dupe. So let's try this one. So that's how this one looks. So I'm just gonna put it right here. I usually like to put the dewdrops like right here, maybe a little bit here. Let's see. So that's that one. This one still looks glowy, but it's because I use this one right here. So I don't know how it would have came out if I would have used the Glow Recipe moisturizer. This one definitely looks different than this one. I don't know if it's the bottle. Okay, so this one looks like that. So it doesn't look like glittery like this one, like shimmery. So it must be just the bottle. Okay, so this is how my skin is looking. This side looks a lot more glowy, and this one looks less glowy. So what do I think? Final thoughts. I do want to do my makeup, so I'm probably gonna do another video showing how my makeup looks, you know, with this underneath the makeup. I feel like these dewdrops, even though I did use a different moisturizer on this side, I feel like this makes your skin more glowy, because as you can see, this is the part where I put them at. I put the dewdrops, and you can still see, you could see the glow more right here. And then on this side, you can't see it as much. So obviously this is going to be better than the Dollar Tree one. Again, the Dollar Tree one was obviously $1.25, but if you want to have like an experience of, like, you know, the packaging and the smell and the color, I feel like this is a good dupe. For $1, it's crazy. $1. I wonder if there's like other dupes that are a little bit more expensive, but it's still like a dupe, you know. So yeah, I mean, I think it's fine to try if you don't want to spend, I don't even know how much this was, because I did get it a while ago. I think this was like, it's maybe like 40 bucks, I don't even remember. And then this one, it's probably around that price also. So for $1, you can't go wrong if you want to try out the Glow Recipe. Well, if you want to dupe for the Glow Recipe, you can't go wrong with this. And even though this one's not Yuka approved, which is not 100% accurate, I have to throw that in there because I know somebody's gonna be like, it's not accurate, whatever. Anyways, point is, this is not Yuka approved either. So if you want to stay, you know, within Yuka approved products, then neither one of these are approved. But if you still want to go ahead and get a little taste to see how the whole experience is, like I said, about getting, you know, this type of packaging, glass, the smell of watermelon, the pinkness of it, then just try this one, because obviously the other one is also not Yuka approved. So you get to have the little experience. Or if they have the birthday one and you go to Sephora and you're a, you know, a Sephora member, then you can just try it out with these two. On the next video, I will be finishing up my makeup to see what the finished look is.